We don't want things to happen, but sometimes they just do. Here's some things that we think you should keep in your emergency car kit just in case you get stranded this year. Woo! Always make sure your spare tire is properly inflated. Also, have a jack and a wheel wrench just in case you have to switch. Snow brush, ice scraper, and washer fluid are handy just in case you run out. Some cat litter or some sand handy just in case you get stuck in a ditch. Oh, hey, also a spare charger just in case you get stranded. Jumper cables and a gas can. Small toolkit or multi-tool with a flashlight with rechargeable batteries or spare batteries. Just make sure you keep it charged. And most importantly, spare warm clothing. Gloves or mittens, hats, and lastly, a nice warm scarf. Bring it around. I hope this helped you guys feel a bit more secure this winter. Feel free to add comments if you feel like we forgot any items, and happy holidays.